Hi there, I'm Jack Moses from Portsmouth Residential. I'm a property manager with Portsmouth, and today I'm here to show you how to navigate your resident portal. The resident portal is a super great function for all of our residents because it is the hub of where we keep all of our information for you. You can make payments, submit maintenance requests, review your documents. You can do pretty much everything you need to do here, all in one place. So it's a really good function for you, and you should know how to navigate it properly. So that's why I'm here today to help you just show off the tools in the resident portal and help you optimize using it in the future. So right off the bat, you have your homepage. This holds all the basic information for your property, for your resident portal. So you have your current balance owing, any new announcements, open requests that you may have, such as maintenance requests, some basic information about your lease agreement, and then how to contact us. So let's dive into the first thing here, make a payment. So when you get to the make a payment page, again, you get hit with a bit more information. So this is your payment history. It's really useful if you are returning taxes, you have questions about the outstanding balance owing. It's a record of all the payments coming in from you and any expenses coming out from us. So take a look at that when you have a chance. If you want to make a payment, there's two different options. There's a one-time make a payment button, and then there's a setup auto payment option as well. So let's jump into the make a payment button. So this resident has an outstanding balance currently. It looks like it's from some other charges or just an accumulation of little charges outside of their rental amount. So if you wanted to pay off this balance, so you'd simply have to put in the amount you'd like to pay, $140. You can also set up your payment option here. So if you want to change this, then you can do so by doing that. So you just put in all your information here, first name, last name, transit number, institute number, account, and then confirm account number. So that is the make a payment option. You can pay it through your bank, and I believe that's the only way. There's no credit card option, unfortunately. Now, set up auto payment. This is what we recommend you do for your rental rate because it's a reoccurring charge every month. So say your rental amount is $1,000. You set up your payment option here as just shown, and then you just need to set the date that you want to make the payment. So 99% of your rental payments are going to be withdrawn on the 1st. So you go ahead and put the 1st of the month, put it to a monthly frequency. And then we have a couple options here, but for your rental payments, you want to pay the monthly, so that's the best one to go with there. And then you just click next and set up auto payment. I'm not going to do it on this video because I don't want to have extra charges on this resident's account, but that's how you set up the auto payment and make a payment. Now down to the requests. So the request page is where you can submit maintenance requests or just general inquiries about for our team. So if you're looking for your tax receipts, you can submit a request here. You can also get them on the payment page as I just showed you though. So let's start with a maintenance request. Maintenance requests are obviously if there's maintenance issues at the building, you submit a request and then it'll go directly to our team. We'll dispatch a vendor from there. So for this, let's say your stove stopped working. One of the stovetop isn't warming up anything anymore and you need to boil water and eat food. So you say stove top not working, and then a brief description of the issue. So if it's like the front two burners, let us know as much detail as possible really is best for us, because once we have that detail, we can dispatch it to the vendors that are going to be working on it. So if you have any pictures of it, if it's damage to the property, say there's a hole in the wall, something like that, you can attach pictures here and then put a full description here. Now, this is also an important part here for our scheduling. So this is, if you're not home, do we have permission to enter the unit? If it's like an emergency issue or something like that, sometimes residents just want to get it done as soon as possible and they have a busy schedule so they can't be home. That's totally fine. We can come in as long as you're okay with it and fix the problem. Or if you're not okay with it, then you can also press no. Then you simply submit a request there. For general inquiries, much of the same process. just not for maintenance. So you don't have to necessarily put in as much detail, but if you're having a dispute with your resident or with your roommates, or if you just have a general inquiry for us, whatever it may be, then you can submit it here. It goes right to our team, and it's a super useful function as well. So you just put in a subject, description, and attach a photo. As always, as much detail as possible will always help our team out, just so we're not scrambling for new stuff. Next is the announcements. Our team hasn't utilized this as much, but we're definitely going to be rolling it out in the future. So keep an eye on this section. It is also in your homepage, so it's super easily accessible. But this is outgoing communication from our team. As you can see here, there's nothing here yet, but this could be stuff such as lease renewal warnings. If you missed a payment, then we'd email it out here. Lots of stuff like that. And then this is just your legal documents. So this is where we house your lease, your tenant insurance, any of that stuff. It's all held right in here. So that's a great resource for you as well. If you ever need a copy of your lease, review it, whatever it may be, then all the documents are right here waiting for you. And then finally, contacts. So this is just, you can put in, say your dad stops by the building a lot and maybe you want him as an emergency contact. You can put this in here, and it's just a resource for us if we ever have difficulties contacting you, or there's an emergency or anything like that, then we can have an emergency contact information. So yeah, that is the video. If you have any questions, feel free to send our team an email. But again, the resident portal is a super great option for you, and it houses a lot of great information. So we wanted to make sure you know how to best utilize it. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out to our team. Thank you so much.